Have you ever made a lemonade? We stir the sugar into water until it is completely disappeared or dissolved and add lemon juice to it. Substances like sugar or lemon juice that dissolve into water are called soluble, while other substances which do not disappear in water even after we stir it for a long time are called insoluble. Some liquids get completely mixed with water, while others, like oil, form a separate layer in water and do not mix. There are also some gases which are soluble in water. Water usually has small quantities of some gases dissolved in it. For example, oxygen gas dissolved in water is very important for the survival of animals and plants that live in water.